to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Don't Tell Them TikTok trend, which is very, very popular and very easy to learn. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to cross our arms. We're going to put them on our shoulders. Then we're going to uncross them. They're still on our shoulders. And then we're going to pretend we have a table here and we're going to push off like that. So all together it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now what we're going to do is step and then step. So to do this, first we're going to the left. So we're going to step back with our left leg. We don't have to step like very far, just a little bit. And our hand goes towards us and then it goes slowly back. And then same thing on the other side. 2. Once again, 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. Now let's do everything all together. Cross, uncross, push, step, step. Now what we're going to do after that is we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is called an isolation, and we're going to start with our head. Then we're going to go 1, back, then our tummy goes back, and then we're going to put all our weight on our left leg. So first it's in between, and then it goes on our left one, like that. So all together it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's do everything from the very beginning and we'll move on. Let's go. Cross, uncross, push, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now after this, what we're going to do is a heart with our hands, and then we're going to go 1. So our right shoulder goes forward, then our left arm is bent, well, right one too, and our shoulder goes forward. 1. And then this move, everyone does it differently. Some people do like a wave. Some people just do like this. Some people do like this. So you can choose. I usually just do a wave with my hands. If you don't know how to do the wave, after this video, I do have a video on my channel specifically on how to do the wave. So if you want to learn, then after this video, you can go and check that out. But right now, let's learn this dance. Let's go. So after that, we're gonna do, after the wave, we're gonna face towards the left, and then we're gonna do a wave. This isn't the throw it back that we usually do, where we like lean forward a lot. It's just like a small wave, like that. 1. Once again, 1. Perfect. Now let's do it from the very beginning, and we'll move on. Well, actually, we don't have anything left. Just after the wave, what we're going to do, it says right, so a lot of times, so we're just going to go like this, like thumbs up, and just do like this a lot until the video ends. And that's it, that's the whole dance. So we're going to do it from the beginning twice. Once we're going to do it slow, and then once a little bit faster, and that's it. Then the only thing you'll have left to do is to practice it at the TikTok speed, which is going to be pretty easy when you already know all the moves. So let's do it slow. Are you ready? Let's go. Cross, uncross, push, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hard. 1, wave, wave, and then right, like that, however you want. And now we're going to do the same thing, but faster. Are you ready? Let's go. Cross, uncross, up, step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hard. Shoulder, wave,